In our yesterday's class, we have studied Maclaurin's and Taylor's series. So we'll continue with that. Exercise 7.4. Okay, Maclaurin's and Taylor's. So first question, we'll do the fifth subdivision. F of x is equal to tan inverse of x minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So this tan inverse of x, it can also be asked as arc tan x. So arc tan x means it is tan inverse of x. Remember this. Okay. So what is Maclaurin series? First we'll write the series. F of x is equal to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 by 1 factorial into x plus f double dash of 0 by 2 factorial x square plus f triple dash of 0 by 3 factorial x cube plus etc. So, I have told you how to remember. See this 1 dash, okay, only once it is differentiated and divided by 1 factorial, and here it is x power 1. So, similarly f double dash, so 2 times we are differentiating 2 factorial x square, f triple dash, so 3 times we are differentiating 3 factorial x cube, okay. So, all 3 terms should be of same. So, remember this. So, now we will do the fifth subdivision. F of x is equal to tan inverse of x. Okay. So, what is f of 0? F of 0 is equal to tan inverse of 0. So, we can put the table also. So, what is the table? Function and its derivatives. Okay, or f of x and its derivatives. So, what are the derivatives of f of x? F dash of x, f double dash of x and all those. And here it is tan inverse of x and its derivatives. Okay, tan inverse of x and its derivatives. And the next one is f of 0, that is at x is equal to 0. So, this we can make it little bigger column, and the last one is at x is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the table. So, now, so what is f of x? F of x is equal to tan inverse of x. So, what is tan inverse of 0? Tan inverse of 0 is 0. Then, what is its derivative? F of x when you differentiate? F dash of x. And tan inverse of x differentiation? 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay? 1 by 1 plus x square. So, when you put x is equal to 0, you get 1. Now, this 1 by 1 plus x square is nothing but 1 plus x square the whole power minus 1. Okay. So, this we are going to use binomial theorem and write. So, when we use binomial theorem, this can be written as 1 minus x square plus x power 4 minus x power 6 plus etc. Okay. By binomial theorem. What is binomial theorem? X plus a the whole power n is equal to, do you remember? X plus a the whole power n is equal to x power nc naught x power n. So, x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 a plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a square. It goes on up to a power n. You have studied in plus 1. Okay. So, this binomial theorem expansion is used here. Is it clear? Okay, so using that we get 1 minus x square plus x power 4 minus x square plus etc. So now we will find f double dash of x. So we have to differentiate only this. Okay, this only we are going to differentiate, nothing else. So what is the differentiation of 1? 0. Okay, x square minus 2x, x power 4, 4x cube minus 6x power 5. So now substitute x is equal to 0. What do you get? It is equal to 0. Then f triple dash of x. So f triple dash of x, differentiate this again. Minus 2 plus 12x square minus 30x power 4. So when you put x is equal to 0, we get minus 2. Then f4 of x. So f4 of x, differentiate this again. 12 into 2, 24x minus 30. 30 into 4, 120. Okay, minus 120 x cube. Put x is equal to 0, we get 0. Then f5 of x, up to f5 we are finding because few terms are 0 here. So differentiate this again. 24x minus 120. Okay, not x, 24. It is 24. Then 120 into 3, 360 minus 360 x square. Putting x is equal to 0, you get 24. Okay. So now we will substitute in the series. So f of x is equal to, what's the formula? F of 0. F of 0 is 0 plus, in the beginning I have written the series, so we'll put it there. Okay. So f dash of 0, 1 by 1 factorial into x plus f double dash of 0, 0 by 2 factorial into x square plus f triple dash of 0 minus 2 by 3 factorial into x cube plus f4 dash of 0, 0 by 4 factorial x power 4 plus 24 by 5 factorial x power 5 plus etc. So which gives us f of x is tan inverse of x. So tan inverse of x is equal to 1 by 1 factorial is x, 1. So x, next term is 0. Then we have minus 2 by, so we can write like this, y x by 1 factorial minus 2 by 3 factorial. Okay. So 3 factorial is what? Okay, 1 factorial is 1. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 into x cube. Then plus 24 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 x power 5 plus etc. So it is equal to, finally tan inverse of x is equal to x. 2 gets cancelled, so minus x cube by 3, and here 4 goes, 12, 12 2s are 24. So this gets cancelled, so 24 gets cancelled. So plus x power 5 by 5 plus etc. Plus or minus, okay, etc. we have. Is it clear? Okay. Next we will go see the next subdivision, that is the sixth one. F of x is equal to cos square x. F of x is equal to cos square x. So we will put the table. So what is the first one? F of x and its derivatives. F of x and its derivatives. Second column, cos square x and its derivatives. And the third column is at x is equal to 0. Okay, at x is equal to 0. So f of x first. So what is f of x? Cos square x. Put x is equal to 0, cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Then f dash of x. Differentiate cos square x. What is it? 2 cos x into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So, put x is equal to 0. Sin 0 is 0. Therefore, this becomes 0. But this can be written as minus sin 2x because sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So, now what is f double dash of x? It is equal to, what is it? Minus sin 2x differentiate 2 cos 2x. Okay, that is cos 2x into 2. So, we are writing like this. Put x is equal to 0, cos 0 is 1. So, this is minus 2. Okay, then f triple dash of x. F triple dash of x, differentiate this again, minus 2 into minus sin 2x into 2. So, you get minus into minus plus. So, 4 sin 2x. Sin 0 is 0. So, we get 0 here. Then, f4 of x. 4 into cos 2x into 2. So, it is equal to, what is it? It is equal to 8 cos 2x. Cos 0 is 1. So, we get 8 here. Okay. So, you put it in the formula. What is the series? F of x is equal to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 by 1 factorial x plus f double dash of 0 by 2 factorial x square plus f triple dash of 0 by 3 factorial x cube plus f4 of 0 by 4 factorial x power 4 plus etc. So, now we will write. So, what is f of x? Cos square x. So, cos square x is equal to f of 0 is 1 plus f dash of 0 is 0 plus f double dash of 0 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 into 1 into x square. Then f triple dash of 0 is 0 plus f4 dash of x is 4, 8. Therefore, 8 by 4 factorial 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into x power 4 plus etc. So, we get cos square x is equal to 2 gets cancelled. So, 1 minus x square. Then here 4 2's are 8. Therefore, plus x power 4 by 3 plus etc. Okay. So, hope you have understood the Maclaurin's series. Now, we will go to the second question, that is the Taylor series. Second question, write down the Taylor series expansion of the function log x about x is equal to 1 up to 3 non-zero terms for x greater than 0. Okay. So, first, what is the Taylor series? Taylor series, do you remember? So, let f of x here is what? Log x. F of x is equal to log x. Then, what about the Taylor series? Taylor series is f of x is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity an into x minus 2 the whole power n, where an is equal to f raised to n of here what we have. Okay, it is not x minus 2, x is equal to 1. Therefore, we have to write here 1. Okay, x minus 1 the whole power n. X minus 1 the whole power n at where f raised to n of 1 by n factorial. Okay, you must write very carefully. So, this is the Taylor's series. The function is log x about x is equal to 1. Okay. So now we will do this. So same like Maclaurin's, here also we will make the table. So when you make the table, what is this? F of x and its derivatives. Second column, log x. So log x and its derivatives. Okay, log x and its derivatives. And the next one is at x is equal to 1. Okay, about x is equal to 1. So now we will make the table. So first one, f of x. So what is f of x? Log x. So at x is equal to 1, log 1 is 0. Then f dash of x. Log x differentiation 1 by x. Okay. Now x is equal to 1, therefore it will become as 1. Then f double dash of x. So this is nothing but x power minus 1. So when you differentiate x power minus 1, we get minus 1 x power minus 2. Okay. So when you, so what is this? Nothing but minus 1 by x square. So when you put x is equal to 1, what you get? Minus 1. Then f triple dash of x. So differentiate this again, minus 1 into minus 2 into x power minus 3. So what is that? 2 by x cube. So we get 2 at x is equal to 1. So it is asked to find only up to 3 non-zero terms. Okay, so here we have got 3 terms. So we will be getting, so this is enough. So now we will write the expansion. Okay. So therefore, f of x is equal to, what is the first one? F of 0 plus, what is the next one? F dash of, here it is not f of 0, here it is f of 1. Okay, because at x is equal to 1. So f of 1. So next one is f dash of 1 by 1 factorial into x minus 1. Because we are doing for x at x is equal to 1. Okay, therefore it is x minus 1. So what about the second term? F double dash of 1 by 2 factorial into x minus 1 the whole square plus f triple dash of 1 by 3 factorial x minus 1 the whole cube plus etc. Okay. So now we will substitute. What is f of x? F of x is log x equal to f of 1. What is f of 1? 0. Yeah. Plus f dash of 1. What is f dash of 1? F dash of 1 is 1 minus 1, 2. Okay. F dash of 1 is 1. So 1 by 1 factorial into x minus 1 plus f double dash of 1 is minus 1 by 2 factorial into x minus 1 the whole square plus f triple dash of 1 is 2. So 2 by 3 factorial into x minus 1 the whole cube plus etc. So what we have now? So log x is equal to x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 factorial into x minus 1 the whole square plus 2 by 3 factorial. Okay, 2 by 3 factorial. So it is 2 by 3 into 2 into x minus 1 the whole cube plus etc. So we can also write this as log x is equal to x minus 1 minus x minus 1 the whole square by 2, because 2 factorial is 2 into 1, that is 2, and here 2 will get cancelled. So x minus 1 the whole cube by 3 plus etc. Okay. So similarly we can do that for third question. So third question, what about the third one? Expand sin x. So f of x is equal to sin x in ascending powers of x minus 1 by 4. So here x is equal to, pi by 4 up to 3 non-zero terms. Okay. So we will put the table f of x and its derivatives. Sin x and its derivatives. Then we have at x is equal to pi by 4. So what is f of x? Sin x. So sin x. Sin x, f of x. So here we have to write f of x. So what is f of x? Sin x. So sin pi by 4, x is equal to pi by 4, sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2. Then f dash of x, sin x differentiation cos x, cos 45, again 1 by root 2. Then f double dash of x minus sin x, and so we get minus 1 by root 2. Then f 3 dash of x. Okay, so what is it? Minus cos x. So here it is, will become 1 by root 2. No, minus 1 by root 2. Okay, so what is the series now? F of x is equal to, the Taylor series is, okay, Taylor's series is f of x is equal to f of pi by 4 plus f dash of pi by 4 by 1 factorial into x plus f double dash of pi by 4 by 2 factorial into not x, it is, so you should be very careful in writing, into x minus pi by 4 plus f double dash of pi by 4 by 2 factorial into x minus pi by 4 the whole square plus f triple dash of pi by 4 by 3 factorial into x minus pi by 4 the whole cube plus etc. Okay. So now substitute. So what is log x? It is f of x is sin x. Sin x is equal to f of pi by 4, 1 by root 2. Then f dash of pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 by 1 factorial is 1 into x minus pi by 4 plus f double dash of pi by 4. F double dash of pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2. Okay, minus 1 by root 2 so minus 1 by root 2 by 2 factorial. Yeah, 2 factorial into x minus pi by 4 the whole square. Then plus minus 1 by root 2 by 3 factorial into x minus pi by 4 the whole cube plus etc. So what is the final answer? Sin x is equal to, sin x is equal to 1 by root 2, we can write it as, okay, we will write one more step. 1 by root 2 plus x minus pi by 4 by root 2, and this is minus 1 by 2 root 2 into x minus pi by 4 the whole square, and this is plus okay, minus 1 by root 2 into 3 factorial. Okay, 1 by root 2 into 3 factorial into x minus pi by 4 the whole cube plus etc. But this 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, rationalize it into root 2 by root 2. So what you get, it is equal to root 2 by 2. Okay, it is equal to root 2 by 2. Therefore, we can write this as sin x is equal to root 2 by 2 plus this is root 2 by 2 into x minus pi by 4 minus, so 1 by root 2 only we are writing it as root 2 by 2. So root 2 by 2, and here 1 factorial we have, and here this is root 2 by 2 into 2 factorial into x minus pi by 4 the whole square plus not plus, it is minus, so minus root 2 by 2 into 3 factorial into x minus pi by 4 the whole cube plus minus etc or plus etc. Yeah, plus it will become. So final answer is sin x is equal to root 2 by 2 can be taken out. So you get 1 plus x minus pi by 4 by 1 factorial, then minus 1 by 2 factorial into x minus pi by 4 the whole square, then minus 1 by 3 factorial into x minus pi by 4 the whole cube plus etc. Okay, so this is the answer, and remember that factorial here I have mentioned as 2 factorial. Factorial can be written like this also. So this also represents, so 3 factorial means 3, 4 factorial means, okay, this symbol also represents the factorial. Okay, students, one more question, fourth question is there. It's very simple, you can do that for a homework. Thank you, students.